IIT Madras discovers water droplets can break natural minerals into nanoparticles. Re-exam for NEET UG? Group files plea in Supreme Court amid paper leak allegations. Hyderabad University invites applications for PhD admissions. IIT Delhi to admit students for Abu Dhabi campus through JEE Advanced 2024 scores. BITSAT 2024 Session 1 result today at bitsadmission.com. Tie-breaking policy. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the Indian Institute of Technology Madras, IIT Madras, researchers have shown that common minerals can be broken by water microdroplets to make corresponding nanoparticles. This is the first research paper from IIT Madras to be published in the prestigious Science journal. Atmospheric water droplets such as clouds and fog can be charged due to ionic species present in them and by contact electrification. Disintegration of minerals makes nascent surfaces, and on such surfaces, different types of catalysis may occur, forming new molecules. These processes could be important in the origin of life. The researchers say that microdroplet showers composed of nanoparticles and molecules falling on Earth may be of importance to the chemical and biological evolution of the planet. Amid news reports about the question paper leak, a group of candidates has moved to the Supreme Court seeking a fresh NEET UG 2024 examination. The examination was held on 5th May. The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test Undergraduate (NEET UG) examination is conducted by the National Testing Agency (NTA) for admissions to MBBS, BDS, and Ayush and other related courses in government and private institutions across the country. The results are expected to be declared on 14th June. The plea, filed by Shivangi Mishra and others, has made the NTA a party and raised the issue of paper leak and the sanctity of the test while seeking a direction for conducting fresh examination. The plea alleged that the NEET UG test held on 5th May was riddled with malpractices as various instances of paper leaks came to the knowledge of the petitioners. The University of Hyderabad today started the application process for admission to PhD through the entrance examination. The university is opening admissions for select courses like Translation Studies, English Language Studies, Health Sciences, Materials Engineering, and Nanoscience Technology. Interested candidates have to apply online through the official website of the Hyderabad University, and for more details on the courses offered, eligibility, prescribed fee, reservation policy, and prospectus. The last date to register is 18th June, and the students can download the admit card online from 28th June onwards. The examination will be conducted on 7th July and students will get only Hyderabad as the exam center because exams will be held on the University of Hyderabad campus. PhD admissions to the University of Hyderabad for other courses except the above mentioned will be through UGC NET, CSIR NET 2024, and the schedule for the same will be notified separately. The Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, IITD, has launched its first tranche of undergraduate UG programs at its Abu Dhabi campus. These two new UG courses will begin in 2024-25 academic year with a starting batch of 30 students each. Within each discipline, up to 10 seats can be taken by students who qualify in the JEE Advanced examination, while 20 seats will be allocated through the merit list of the Combined Admission Entrance Test, CATE, a new examination being launched by IIT Delhi that is specifically customized for the UAE. CATE test, conducted by the JEE office in IIT Delhi, is planned for 23rd June 2024 in multiple centers in the UAE. The test is meant for candidates who are residents of the UAE, including UAE nationals and expatriates, as well as international students. The Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, BITS, will declare the BITS admission test, BITSAT, result 2024 for session 1 today, 4th June. Candidates who appeared for the entrance exam will be able to access and download the BITSAT 2024 result by visiting the official website, bitsadmission.com. Candidates will need login credentials, including their application number, password, and security CAPTCHA code, to download the BITSAT 2024 scorecard. Successful candidates will be eligible to register for the BITSAT 2024 counseling process. BITSAT 2024 session I was held from May 20th to 24th. However, one extra BITSAT exam slot was reserved for absentees with valid reasons on 28 May from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. BITS Pilani session to registration has begun, and the last date to submit the application form is 8th June. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.